Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP shows some more downside potential here. This is the primary count. You know about it. We've been talking about it in previous videos. We first take out that dotted line. But if you are looking at this chart, you can see the downtrending wave count here. This is currently the primary path. Yeah. So the primary path suggests that we are currently here in a B wave. That might actually be finished, but likelihood is we might do a triangle here of some sort. Anyway, B wave standard resistance goes up all the way to 52.3 cents. Been talking about that in the previous video, I think. Yeah. And as long as we stay below that, significant downside pressure remains. And this is my primary count. The reason why this is the primary count, the bearish one, is that if we zoom out a little bit and take context into consideration, then we see that this move up that started in June and ended here in March, end of March, that this is a crystal clear three-wave move, W, X, Y. And it counts very nicely as a WXY structure, and also in terms of the Fibonacci extensions and targets. If we take the length of the wave W and compare that with the length of the Y wave, you can see that we topped perfectly at the 100% extension. And since then, we've been coming down quite impulsively. So this is currently the primary path. However, well, I shouldn't say impulsively. It looks like an ending diagonal. So the idea is that this WXY structure completed a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave. Yeah, to basically lows that should go below the June lows, so below 29 cents. This C wave, the way it happens or the way it occurs, currently suggests that this is an ending diagonal. The reason is that, okay, we came down nicely in a 1, we moved up in a wave 2 off wave C, and I said at the time that as long as we stay below 55 cents, further downside is preferred. But however, when it then came down and is now moving sideways, this is a correction where it shouldn't really have one. Yeah, from the Fibonacci extensions, that's not ideal. Therefore, I'm counting it as an ending diagonal, basically each of the subwaves as ABC. And this could now be the B wave again that can unfold as a triangle, or it just moves a bit higher here, but should stay below 52.3 cents in an ideal structure and then come down further. Yeah, this would be further confirmed below this swing low, which was at 43, or which is at 43.3 cents. Yeah, if we break below that low, this count is further confirmed, and we see a lot of red here. Yeah? And again, a few red candles now starting into the new week. This is the preferred count. Again, I told you at which level this is going to become even more likely, but it's already the preferred count. What I cannot rule out is that it's doing a bit of a leg to the upside here in B. So the B wave can be very diverse. What I cannot rule out is that this happens, A, B, C, and B. That would catch a lot of people out, such a move. But at this stage, not possible to let's call it, it's not possible to predict that. Likelihood would suggest it's going to be a bit of a higher B wave, but it doesn't need to. Yeah. Therefore, I said to you that as soon as we break below that swing low here at 43.4 cents, roughly, the direct move down and continuation down will be confirmed. Now, is a bullish count possible? Yes, but I don't think it's very likely. That bullish count would suggest that off the 13th of March low, we rallied actually in a wave 1. It's highlighted only as alternate count. We came down in a three-wave move, A, B, C. And we could now be bottoming here. It should have bottomed here. And we could now move up from there, but we currently don't see any impulse to the upside really, and nothing clear at least. So again, preferred outcome is currently downside above 52.3 cents. I may change my view because that's the top of the B wave resistance. But yeah, the thing is, if you look at this, and if we say, okay, the bullish count, yeah, which would suggest this was an A wave, B wave, C wave. The C wave actually had a very nice 5-wave move. If we go to the 4-hour chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So below that low here, further direct breakout to the upside is basically invalid. Yeah. So therefore we have a very clear level to be watching to get clarity. But for me, downside again, it is preferred at this stage because that's the trend, yeah? And it only really changes above 55 cents. And taking the context into account, this was just a 3-wave rally, nothing too bullish. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.